Straight Talk offers Hotspot data as an add-on to existing plans, allowing you to share your data with multiple devices. Think of it as turning your phone or tablet into a portable Wi-Fi router. These add-ons are one-time purchases to boost your data without changing your main plan. You can buy increments like 1 gigabyte for $5, 5 gig for $25, 10 gig for $45, or even 50 gigabytes for $100. Keep in mind, these add-ons are valid for a limited time, usually 30 to 90 days, and expire if unused, so choose wisely based on your expected usage. As of September 2025, Straight Talk supports 5G hotspot data on select plans, offering faster speeds in supported areas. Your base plan starts at $35 month, 5 gigabytes data, to $65 a month unlimited. And remember that taxes and fees typically add another 10 to 15% on top of these prices. Unlimited plans usually cap hotspot usage around 10 gigabytes before throttling. Buying Straight Talk hotspot data is straightforward. First, ensure you have an active Straight Talk account and a device that supports hotspot tethering. You can purchase data through the Straight Talk app, their website at straighttalk.com, or by calling 1-877-430-CL. Navigate to the Data or Hotspot section, choose the amount of data you want to add, and select your payment method. Once the purchase is complete, the data is immediately added to your account, and you'll receive a confirmation. It's crucial to monitor your data usage in the app to avoid overages, which can cost you $10 per GB. Straight Talk's AI-driven data usage predictions can also help you avoid surprises. Remember, eligibility is open to all Straight Talk customers, and no credit check is required.